Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable your notification on WhatsApp application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, to enable or disable your notification on WhatsApp, firstly open your WhatsApp application. The message section will appear on the screen. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and click on Settings option. Click on Notification. On the next page, slide the bar that says Conversation Tones to the left in order to disable your notifications and to the right to enable the notification on WhatsApp application. This is how you can enable or disable your notifications on your WhatsApp application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.